Okay, there's no disc in there yet. Hey guys, here I am, Barry's with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. Sorry, I didn't know the thing was running. This time we're demonstrating an 8-track AM-FM 8-track out of a 77 Chevy Corvette. This comes from Graham in Loveland, Ohio. Graham has requested the modern internal conversion with Bluetooth and HD radio. And so we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. And one thing I'll say is, for some time I was demanding that customers remove their faceplates if it's in mint condition or if it's freshly re-chromed, because I didn't want to be responsible for any scratch and stuff. But what we end up with here is a radio without a faceplate. So I've since lightened up on that rule. You no longer have to remove your faceplate, because another thing is, on this radio the faceplate is what holds the controls in place. So without the faceplates, I got to stick some silicone in there to keep the controls pretty much where they go. Because after conversion, this control is no longer mounted to a circuit board that holds it in place. It's just hanging there. So I got a little bit of silicone in there so that the control doesn't turn or move while the customer is putting his faceplates back on. And then he's going to have to make sure that he realigns the AM/FM selector with the external switch. And also that the tuning dial lines up with this. So it can be quite a challenge getting that faceplate back on there and everything working. So anyway, let's go ahead and test her out. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions during talk radio, and we're not getting nailed for copyright because we're doing it during a song. So let's turn it on to AM.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, I thank you.
Okay, now since it's talk radio, there's going to be some delay between sentences, but we're going to try to
I think it's important that I
get our virtual. We're going to demonstrate our virtual front-rear fader.
See, it's so unique. There is no other
fader adjust.
Okay, so you heard that. So now this same control is adjusting our front-rear balance.
Russia,
all the way rear, all the way front, rear.
Anti-Russian
okay, I'm going to center him.
That wants Russia dead.
Fader set. Okay, left, right balance.
That wants the country of Russia.
Balance adjust.
Okay,
don't think
so
that
all the way left, all the way right. Say something.
But that is the
all
way,
the way right,
which
all
Israel
the way left,
me think
right.
of Israel.
Okay, I'm going to center those.
The Iranian purpose.
Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Is
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. Of course, I don't do all that on the video. Just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating that it works properly. Let's go ahead and switch over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick test.
Yes.
So we're going to move over to FM. Okay, here's FM.
Dave Savaro.
Expendables, man, okay? This isn't...
Okay, there's our FM, and I believe, let's test the 8-track. Okay, blank spot there. Okay, pull the tape out, radio comes back. Okay, and the HD function I can't test because I don't get HD in my area, so the customer will just have to deal with that. There will be an instruction sheet on how to activate the HD and activate the subchannels and all that stuff. So she's ready to go back. You can see that the dial light is currently working, so that's cool too. I'm done with this unit, ready to get on to the next job after I send this one. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And it is a brand new website. I just created it just a couple days ago around the beginning of October, and so we do have an updated job status page available now. If you sent your radio in quite some time ago, you can now go on my website and see where you are in the line awaiting service on the bench. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Graham, for your business all the way from Loveland, Ohio, and we'll see you guys next time.